Okay. So cell wall madhe we said that cell wall helps various functions of the cell wall we discussed. Cell wall helps in cell to cell interaction. It is acting as a barrier for the undesirable macromolecule. Everything we understood in the last class itself. Okay. Now algae have the
Yes,
cell
ma'am.
wall, and I told you this is very, very important. Algae has a cell wall, and that cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactans, mannans, and
Manganese and
calcium
calcium
carbonate.
carbon.
So all these are the important component. You must remember this because you get question on this. While in other plant cell, it is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and protein. Okay, so this is mentioned by your NCERT, so you must remember this. Okay, now we also discuss
Yes,
that
ma'am.
cell wall of young plant cell. Young plant cell, that meaning it is a meristematic cell. है ना? Meristematic
Yes, ma'am.
cells, these are actively dividing cells. जब बेबी सेल्स असतात आणि ज्यांच्यामध्ये खूप कपॅसिटी असते डिव्हिजन करायची. सो दीज आर द मेरिस्टेमॅटिक सेल्स, अँड मेरिस्टेमॅटिक सेल्स आर यंग प्लांट सेल्स. Only these cells have the primary cell wall. Okay, only these cells. So we have drawn like this. This is say plasma membrane. So this is the layers on the, supposing if this is the meristematic cell, it will be just having this primary cell wall. Okay, and now
Yes,
as a
ma'am.
cell grows for the maturity, as the cell matures, then there is a secondary layers, है ना? Then the secondary cell wall arises. So this secondary cell wall is having 3 layers. So this is S1 layer. Then secondary cell wall madhe there is a S2 layer, and then inside there is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
S3 layer, and then inside there is a cell membrane. आणि ही आतमध्ये जी ग्रीन कलरची काढलेली आहे, सो दॅट इज अ सेल मेम्ब्रेन. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट इज प्रेझेंट इन द mature cell. So generally you can say mature cell madhe, then the primary cell will diminish. So primary cell will not be present in the mature cell wall. So secondary wall which is formed, that secondary wall is formed by lignin, suberin, pectin, and cutin. So what we
Cutin.
said, cellulose is made up of glucose and so many glucose joined together, and they form the fiber-like structure. This fiber-like structure is called as microfibril. Please keep writing. Huh? So these fiber-like structure,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
are called as a microfibril. And now when you say cell wall, so cell wall which is having two parts, the way we said, it is the skeleton, okay, and the matrix. So what we said, when you see the slab of any building, that slab is having this iron rod like compounds, you know, that day I told you. So iron rods are the microfibril. Microfibril, that means they are the glucose. So these all are the microfibril. So these are the
Microfibrils.
microfibril. And microfibril, and then there is a matrix in that microfibril. So matrix is what? Then the things are deposited in that. So all these deposition. Kasla deposition आहे. Then the deposition is of lignin, suberin. जसं आपण त्याच्यात सिमेंटिंग मटेरियल भरतो आणि तो स्लॅब कंप्लीट करतो, तसं हे सगळं मॅट्रिक्स त्याच्यामध्ये डिपॉझिट केलं जातं. अँड दिस इज how the secondary cell wall is formed. So primary cell wall, we said primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. So you keep differentiating between the primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. So right here, this is a primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. So primary cell wall is very thin and elastic. I hope you are also writing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is rigid and very thick. So this is rigid and it is thick. Correct. Primary cell wall is capable of growth. Capable of growth. And this is generally present in the mature. So is not having the capacity of growth. Okay. Now primary cell wall is present in meristem cells. This is present in meristem cells. This is absent in meristem cells. This is absent in meristem cells. Okay. Secondary cell wall, which is absent in the meristematic cell. Primary cell wall outermost at the inner side line. Yes.
Outermost.
Yes, this is outermost. So you get question on this. So this is the outermost and this is present inside. Okay. It is not divided further. It is not divided further. And this is further divided. Further divided into S1, S2 and S3. Correct? This diminishes as the cell mature. This is this diminishes diminish this is diminishes as cell matures and this is not diminished. Okay, this is present in the mature cell. Okay, so that is the differentiating points between the primary cell wall and the secondary cell wall. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is a tertiary cell wall as well. We discussed there is a tertiary cell wall as well. But this tertiary cell wall is present only in what? Did you write this? And primary cell wall and secondary cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin. Same, doni. Okay. Along with this lignin, suberin, pectin and cutin. Yes, tertiary cell wall present only present only in tracheids of present only in the tracheids of gymnosperms. Okay.
Ma'am, tertiary cell wall चं त्या दिवशी नव्हतं झालं ना?
झालं होतं, सांगितलं होतं. Tertiary cell wall is present only in the tracheids. Trachid, that is a part of the xylem. That is a part of the xylem, which is a complex.
Yes, ma'am. Xylem. Okay.
Yes. So that is how the primary, secondary, and tertiary cell. Now I'll discuss what exactly. Now here I'm going to discuss three things. Remember it properly. I'm going to discuss middle lamella, plasmodesmata, and desmotibiles. Desmotibiles. या तीन गोष्टी मी इथे एक्सप्लेन करते, अगदी लक्ष देऊन ऐक. तूच एक काय मला वाटतं आज. Yes. There are others.
Don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, group वर message टाकू का?
हो, टाकून दे. Class started.
Okay, ma'am. 2 मिनिटं मॅम फक्त.
All right. So now we discuss about differentiation between primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Now here I am going to talk on middle lamella. Yes, Gautam, are you there? So supposing now this is one cell. Okay. This is one cell and I'll draw here the other cell. This is the other plant cell. Okay, chalo good. Now I'm explaining middle lamella. So this is one cell and this particular is the other cell. Okay. So this is cell A and cell B. In case of the multicellular plant, this is cell A and cell B. And the link between them. So the link which is joining these two things together. I have drawn this at a distance apart. काफी नजदीक होते हैं. So just to understand, I have drawn this little distant apart. So this is the cell A and cell B. So you have this cell wall. So maybe secondary cell wall, or if it is a primary cell wall. So whatever, the cell mature hai ya meristematic hai, that way the primary or secondary cell wall is present. Now the two cell wall are joined together by this middle lamella. So this is a middle lamella. So these two cell wall are joined together. ML is my short form. You should not be using my short form. This is not
Yes,
limited.
ma'am.
You have to write it in complete. So the two cell wall which is joined together is by means of middle lamella. So middle lamella is also called as a plant cement. So middle lamella, which is also called as a plant cement. So these two cells, they are joined together by this middle lamella. And what is it made up of? So remember, इस पे questions आते हैं आपको. Middle lamella is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. Calcium and magnesium pectate. This is again very, very important to remember. Clear? So main component of cell
Yes,
wall
ma'am.
is cellulose, but along with the cellulose, hemicellulose, cutin, pectin, lignin, ये सब भी होता है. Suberin is also present. The two cell wall is joined together by middle lamella, and middle lamella is called as a plant cement that is made up of calcium and magnesium pectin. Clear है what is a middle lamella?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, चलो. Now the next thing I'm going to discuss what is a plasmodesmata. Now again remember it carefully. Okay, so the second thing which I'm explaining is plasmodesmata. Okay. Now again I'll draw here the two cell. You also keep drawing, you will not get this ready-made anywhere. You need to understand this.
Yes, ma'am.
Krisha has not joined. Isha has joined. Okay.
सॉरी मॅम झालं.
Oh, sure. So this is one. तुमचं मिस होऊन जातं ग तेवढं, बाकी काही नाही.
नाही ते काय माहिती काय होत होतं, वायफाय होत नव्हता, मग मोबाईल हॉटस्पॉट लावला तरी नाही, इतकी गडबड झाली माझी.
So this is two cell, है ना? Cell A and cell B. Now what I said, in between these two cell A and B, this is what?
Middle lamina.
Okay. Now here I am drawing the nucleus of one cell. All right. So this is the nucleus of one cell. This is the nucleus of other cell. Now immediately after the nucleus, क्या होता है? इसके बाद यहाँ पे क्या है? Yes, what I am drawing here, immediately from the nuclear membrane. What is this? And here also. Okay, so what is this? Can someone tell me immediately after nucleus? There is one organelle. Come on.
सेंट्रोसोम का?
No. Plant cell डिस्कस करते हैं.
Golgi
Plant
apparatus.
no centrosome. Plant cell में centrosome नहीं होते हैं. So what is this? Yes. This is smooth
Golgi apparatus.
endoplasmic reticulum.
Sorry, smooth endo.
विसरू नका. Now this smooth endoplasmic reticulum will have the extension to this middle lamella, and they will join together at the from the center. They will join together. हे ऐसा extend होईल इथून, and they will form a tube-like structure. Why tube-like structure? So that the two cells should connect each other. There should be the cell-to-cell interaction. Okay. ये आजू बाजू के दो घर है तो उन दोनों में इंटरेक्शन होना चाहिए. सो दोनों के बीच में जो सेल टू सेल इंटरेक्शन है, that is by forming this tube like structure, and this tube is called as desmotubule. समझ लो. The endoplasmic reticulum of one cell and the endoplasmic reticulum of other cell, they extend to form the tube-like structure, and that tube-like structure is a desmotubule, right? Yes, are you getting this?
Yes.
And now to this desmotubule here in the middle lamella, here you can see yellow color this one. Here they form the pore-like structure on both the side of the tube. And this complete part in the middle lamella where the two cells join or interact with each other, this is called as a plasmodesmata. So what is a plasmodesmata? The plasmodesmata is a cytoplasmic connection between the two cells. This is a cytoplasmic connection between two cells. Is a plasmodesmata. कळलं? And this is a
Yes.
characteristic
Yes,
feature
ma'am.
of the multicellular plant. Right? This is the characteristic feature of multicellular plant. Multicellular, why? Because there should be the many cells so that they should be connected. Again, इकडे एक cell असेल. Again, they will connect with the help of middle lamella, and cytoplasmic connection between these two cells is by means of this plasmodesmata. Right? The plasmodesmata आणि हा जो desmotubule आहे, the tube form from one cell to another cell of via the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this is always from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum start immediately from the cell membrane. Cell membrane से जो immediately शुरू होता है वो desmotubule है. Okay, so this is a desmotubule formed from the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And the name this plasmodesmata, you get question on the scientist again. The name plasmodesmata is given by the scientist Strasburger. Okay, the name proposed, this plasmodesmata name proposed by Strasburger in 1901. Okay.
Yes.
So to maintain the continuity between the cytoplasm, the both cytoplasm should be connected with each other. This plasmodesmata playing important role. कळतं तुम्हाला कळलं? So what is a middle lamella? What
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
plasmodesmata? And what is a what?
Desmotubule.
Desmotubule. ठीक है?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So see what are the unthickened areas in xylem. That day we said xylem on the cell wall there are certain unthickened area, and these unthickened area are called as the pits because xylem has to do the function of transport of water.
Cellular
That
transport.
unthickened area are called as the pits. Okay, the middle lamella is mainly composed of, bolo. Just now I said the middle lamella mainly composed of, yes,
Calcium and magnesium peptide.
yes, the middle lamella is mainly composed of calcium, magnesium, pectate. इथे फक्त calcium लिहिलंय. It's calcium, magnesium, pectate. Amount of calcium is more. Of course, this amount of calcium is more in this, but then it is calcium and magnesium pectate, which is also called as a plant cement. This is also called as plant cement. Okay. In mature plant cell, okay, now mature plant cell madhe, so supposing throughout the periphery it is present. So this is a mature plant cell and this is another plant cell. This is another plant cell. So throughout the periphery this middle lamella, इथे पण connection असेल, इथे पण middle lamella असेल, इथे पण असेल, इथे दुसरा cell असेल. So here, everywhere the middle lamella would be present. So now in the mature plant cell, middle lamella is the outermost layer of the cell. This sentence is very, very important. In mature plant cell, otherwise we will say it is a S1. है ना, and the chat मध्ये S2 and then it is a S3 and then it is a
S3.
plasma membrane, but middle lamella is outside to the S1 layer. So in mature plant cell, middle lamella is the outermost layer of that particular plant cell. See here, you can see the pit which is there in the tracheids of the xylem. Okay, so porous, primary cell wall is porous in case of trachea. That is again important thing to remember. See here, this is the middle lamella. The way we said middle lamella, उसके अंदर primary cell wall, then S1, S2 and S3 and then it is a cell membrane. That is how is the structure. Here you can see primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, plasmodesmata, that is the cytoplasmic connection between the two cells. Here you can see the cytoplasmic connection between the two cells. This particular region is called as a plasmodesmata. कळतंय का?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so plasmodesmata which connects cytoplasm to cytoplasm of the neighboring cell. Is that clear to you? Now, what are the functions of the cell wall? Just write down the functions of the cell. So, what are all different functions of the cell wall? Number one, what? Cell wall gives shape to the cell. Please keep on writing. What are the different functions of the cell? Cell wall gives shape to the cell. Second, it protects the cell from mechanical damage and infection. So it protects the cell from mechanical damage and infection.
Cell to cell interaction.
Yes, it is also important in cell to cell interaction.
Provides barrier to undesirable.
Yes, it provides barrier to undesirable material. Undesirable basically macromolecules. Provide barrier to undesirable macromolecule. Okay, that is what, these are all the functions of this cell wall. Clear? So we have completed cell membrane, we have completed cell wall. These 2 points we have covered. Right? Any doubt with these 2 points?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we'll start with the next point of endomembrane system. Attend this very carefully. Okay. Many of the membranous organelle, membranous म्हणजे membrane असलेले, जिनको membrane है, ऐसे membranous organelle are considered together as endomembrane system. So all these membranous organelle together is endomembrane system. Why endomembrane system? Because their functions are coordinated. Okay, they help each other for their function and hence these are called as a endomembrane system. Right? Now, which are the organelles in endomembrane system? So the organelles which are present in endomembrane system is Golgi complex, vacuoles, lysosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. So these 4 are part of this endomembrane system. Okay. Mention it clearly. So these 4